Alrighty guys, real quick guys, I just got through doing a tune-up on this vehicle right here, 3.6 Pentastar Gen 3. Now guys, in order to do a tune-up or in order to gain access to the spark plugs on bank 2, the plenum have to go up. Yeah, alright, well I'm done with the spark plugs. I'm getting ready to install the plenum. When I pick it up guys, I noticed this. Y'all see all that oil residual in there? That is basically oil guys. You pick it up and look inside, you can see oil all in the intake area. Guys, when you see that, you need to look toward none other than your PCV valve. That's right guys, PCV, positive crankcase ventilation. What it's doing is pulling those vapors from the crankcase and even in the valve cover area. When it go bad guys, it could potentially pull oil in. All right, you see what I have here? Yeah baby, Mopar guys, it's a Mopar PCV valve. Yeah, we don't really do German PCV valves over here. Anyway, I'm about to install this guys. I say this should be replaced every 60,000 miles. Now this van has 140, so I'm assuming it has never been replaced up until now. JT the car guy. Alrighty guys, real quick, let's go over how to replace a PCV valve on a particular Chrysler Pacifica. Now all the Pacifica is going to be equipped with the Gen 3 Pentastar engine, and the PCV valve is going to be on bank 1. This is the valve right here. Now you have a hose running from the valve to the intake. All right, that's where the vapors happens. They pull the vapors from the crankcase and the valve covers into the intake to burn at a later time. Now in order to remove this hose, you see this little white tab right here, you got to push down on that. All right, but what we want to take it off is right at the PCV valve. There's a white tab same way as this one, see right here. So what you do is just push in on it and pull up at the same time. There you have it. So you don't really have to fight with this, just take it off from right here. Now what we got to do, you see this tab right here, just pull that outwards, don't break it, pull it outwards and turn. There you have it. So this is what you're fighting with right here. There's one little tab right here. Just simply pull that back to unlock the tab and then turn. All right, that's how you replace a PCV valve. Guys, I say every 30,000 miles. This thing is quite expensive, but you don't want oil in circulating through your intake. I've seen oil in these intake manifolds when people go off, take these off to do spark plugs. They have oil all in them. Yeah, go ahead and replace this PCV valve. All right, this is a Chrysler Pacifica, but it applies to the anything with a Gen 3 in it. That's what the new style PCV valve. They don't use screws anymore. All right, gotta go.